Experiencing water damage at home can be daunting, but understanding the restoration process can give you back control. It starts with a professional assessment, followed by immediate water extraction and drying. After this, cleaning, repair, and restoration bring your home back to its original state. With the Flood Company, you have a partner ready to walk you through each step. We're here to not just restore your property, but your peace of mind. Visit our website or call us at 801-316-8362 for a fast quote today. We're here for you, 24/7.